Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Idalisa and I am bringing you a bit of a different video today. I'm trying to do this really quick before I lose all of my natural light. And sorry I look a mess. I just got home from work and I ate dinner and then I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do this. Let me move this over a little bit. There we go. I recently subscribed to Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a subscription for clothes. And what they do is that they'll send you a box with 5 items. You have to answer some questions, kind of figure out what your style is, what you would like to receive and what you would not like to receive. And you can do it monthly, bi-monthly, or whenever you need a new box. You can just go in there and order one, and then the stylist will send you 5 items. You will be charged $20, and those $20 will be used if you choose to buy an item. The $20 will be used towards that item that you choose. If not, you still lose out on the $20. It's the styling fee that you're paying for. So you're, no matter, it's like a monthly subscription. You're still paying $20 regardless, right? And then you have 3 days to decide what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep. You send the stuff back that you don't want to keep. It has a prepaid envelope, and yeah. So I went ahead and opened my box because I received it yesterday and I didn't have a chance to open it up until just a few minutes ago, and I was like, you know what, let me just do a quick little video and show you guys what this is all about. So again, this is the box, and it's already open, sorry, but this is the box, and it was pretty heavy. Came pretty quick actually. So when you first open up the box, obviously it's a lot neater than what I have it because again, I already opened it. It comes with this little envelope full of info, the prepaid envelope, and then it comes with your items wrapped in tissue paper with the little sticker logo thingy on it. So I'm not going to open any of this right now. I'll just go ahead and show you what I got. The first thing that I got was this blouse. And I think this blouse is really pretty. It's like a soft, kind of almost silky material. Let's see if it'll tell me what it is. Really quick. Maybe inside. Oh geez, I don't know. Anyway, I ordered my stuff in a 3X or a 2022, and this is the blouse that I got. My husband actually liked this blouse, and he's like, that's probably one you're gonna keep. He's like, because that's something I probably would have picked out for you. So yeah, this blouse right here, this is really nice, so I just might. The next thing I got in the box, and let me just tell you, my stylist, and I'll have to get her name or his name, did an excellent job. The next item is this dress. This is such a pretty dress. Look at this, right? It's so cute. It's stretchy. It's probably about knee length, maybe a little bit below the knee. And this is by the brand, oh, maybe I should tell you the brands. So this is by Margaret M. It's the Gwen textured dress in the color navy, and this is in the 3X. This is a really pretty dress. Really, really pretty. I'm almost tempted to keep the entire box, but I'm not gonna do that. The next item I got is a little cardigan, little cover up. It's a navy color. It's open, and it's got, I think it's got a strap. What the heck? Maybe not. I thought I had seen something that ties around, but incorrecto. So anyways, this is the cardigan. It's a little sheer, but it's nice. It's a nice little cover up, a nice transition piece for fall. This is mixed by 41 Hawthorne in navy, the Abriana long sleeve knit cardigan. The next item I got really excited for because I've been struggling with jeans. I just ordered some jeans from Rainbow, so once I get those, I'll show you those. But those are $15. I got these jeans. They're the toothpick skinny jeans, and I believe these are from Cut of the Cloth. I've heard a lot of things about this brand. These are in the 20, and I did try these on. They do fit great from the waist. And I like the way it feels from the leg because it really is a true skinny. But this part right here in my thigh was a little too big. And since I don't have a butt, it kind of it kind of like scrunches up in the butt, like on my lower thigh, upper thigh, lower butt cheek area. It kind of scrunches up there, and I hate that. So I will not be keeping these. But these they feel really nice, and they have a lot of stretch to them, and they feel comfortable. But again, I don't like the way it fits right here. That's like my struggle with jeans. I'm hoping these rainbow ones actually work. But these were really nice jeans. So I will not be keeping these. And the last item I got, which I probably will be keeping, is the cutest bag I've ever seen. This is so nice. It's really, really soft. It feels like leather. And my husband actually read the tag. It's actually vegan leather, which is super awesome. I asked him not to send me any leather items, so which is probably why this is not real leather. But I don't care. Look at this. It's got a cute little pocket in the front, and it has a big zipper, and you can use this as a clutch. It's got a little zipper pocket inside, and it's got two little pockets for your cell phone or whatever. And it also comes with the strap if you want to use it as a bag. And then the back also has another little compartment with the zipper with lots of room. I can probably fit my phone back here. This is by Shirley Chicago, and this is in the color mustard, the Jessie crossbody clutch. Yeah, I'm more than likely gonna keep this because why wouldn't you, right? Okay, so that's all the items in the box. Now let me go to this stuff. So here's a prepaid envelope, and it comes with this little card here, this little booklet. These are called style cards. Stay. And it says, "Oh, hello. Take a peek. Tucked inside, pieces from your stylist, outfit inspiration, and personalized styling advice." So what this is that they're actually little cards, and they show you how you can style some of the pieces that you got in there. So for example, here are the jeans. Here's that burgundy top right there, the dress, and the cardigan. So it tells you different ways that you can style it up. That's kind of cool. Because sometimes, you need ideas on how to mix and match different patterns and textures and colors and stuff like that. I'm not really good at that. Then you get this little card here that says, "Welcome to Stitch Fix. We hope this experience is the start of a beautiful and stylish relationship." So, discover and decide. So try on all 5 items your stylist selected for you. Pair them with favorite from your closet and use the enclosed style cards for outfit inspiration. You might be surprised by what you like once you try everything on. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. Share your thoughts. Obviously, yeah, if you go in there, you can log in, and every day you can actually look through different items, and they'll tell you, like, would you wear this, would you wear this, and it's like dresses, pants, shirts, skirts, shoes, all kinds of stuff, because you can actually even get shoes in here too. You decide whether that is something that you would wear or something you would not wear, and that kind of helps your stylist like put your box together. And I think my stylist did an excellent job. If I can just get her name or his name. And then the last thing here, Heather. Heather is my stylist. Thank you very much, Heather. And the last thing here is the price sheet of everything. So I already knew these things were going to be a little pricey. I tried to pick the lowest priced items, like the cheaper items in there, because I shop at Ross. I shop at, Target, Walmart, or whatever, Forever 21. Like, I get things that are not expensive. Like I said, I just ordered 2 pairs of jeans that were $15 each. So like, I try to be conscious of how much money I spend on clothes, because I do like to buy a lot of clothes, even though I don't really need them. But yeah, no. So the first item is the textured dress. So the blue navy dress, that is $98. Let's go back. Then it is the jeans cut from the cloth, and like, again, I already knew cut from the cloth is an expensive brand, so those jeans are $88. The Skies Are Blue Xena split neck top. The burgundy top, the first top that I picked out, was $44. The cardigan is $38, which is, to me, the 44, the 38, that's kind of like Lane Bryant pricing. And then the bag is $48. So the total of the box is $316. If you buy all the items in the box, they give you a 25% discount, so that takes out $79. And it brings it down to $237. Now, if you decide, and it shows you order subtotal $237, and it says styling fee purchase credit $20. So order total $217. So you'd have to pay an additional $217 to keep the entire box, which really in reality is not that bad considering the brands of clothes that I got in here. And it's 4 items of clothing and a bag. That's not really something I'm prepared to do. I think that maybe, because I'm going to try this one out, my intention, before I get ahead of myself, my intention is to try out this box for a couple of months, see how I get with some of the items. Maybe I'll keep some items, like I'm thinking maybe keeping an item or two from here. And then maybe trying it out another month, and then I want to try other boxes. Like there's a Dia & Co. or Dia & Co. company. It's very similar to this, the same concept. There's also ThredUp that I want to try. Now ThredUp is more of like a thrift store, so people will send their items on there, and you can purchase the items for like really cheap. You can also send items yourself if you want to sell some stuff, or if you want to donate things. They'll send you a cute big bag. You just fill it up with your stuff and send it on your way. So I do want to try that, to do that. And in order for me to afford to do this, I actually suspended my BoxyCharm account. I figured if none of this works out, then I can just always go back to BoxyCharm. But for now, I've suspended my BoxyCharm, so that, and any other subscription I had, because I had like contacts and the Dollar Shave Club thing, I suspended all of that stuff. I canceled it to try this out because I'm not going to keep all those subscriptions. So anyways, I'm like rambling on, but I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I wanted to fill you in on what's going on. So first impression, I mean, Heather did an amazing job. Thank you, Heather. All the items are really nice. I'm not keeping them just because I feel like it's a little too expensive for my taste. I probably will keep one item, probably that burgundy top, and definitely that bag, because that bag is amazing. And then I probably will try it out again, maybe 1 or 2 more months, and then switch it up a bit and see. I also wanted to give an update on my Poshmark stuff. So the Poshmark items, I only sold 1 item so far. Thank you, Kelly. She purchased my 1 item, the yellow dress. I'm going to keep those items on there a little bit longer, and I'm going to add some more things, hopefully on Sunday, and I will do a quick video of what I'm putting up for that. If those items don't sell, the items that are currently on there, if those items don't sell by next weekend, I'm gonna go ahead and send them over to ThredUp. You can purchase them from there. They're gonna do the pricing for me, and then just give me my cut of whatever is sold. If things are not sold, they actually donate them, so I'm not gonna feel so bad. And I will keep the new items on there for a while as well, see what sells, what doesn't, and then I'll probably do the same thing again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I'm sorry I spoke really fast, and I try to get this done really fast because I am losing natural light and I don't have fancy lighting or anything like that. But I just wanted to show you guys what this thing was about. I was very excited to get this box. And again, if you guys want to sign up, it's on Stitch Fix. I think I have a referral code. If I find it, I'll link it in the video. But I mean, I think it's a good idea for people who don't like to shop, or who maybe don't have an idea on how to put outfits together. These, I mean, it's not just plus size, they have regular sizes too. I think it goes from like extra small to like a 3X or something like that. So it's not definitely just for plus size people, it's for everybody. But you know, sometimes I have a hard time pairing things together, or thinking like 2 different colors can go together, but having a stylist who can kind of give me an idea on how to, hey, you can pair these jeans with this top, or you can pair this top with these pants, or whatever, I think is very helpful for a lot of people, including myself. So it's a good idea. I'm excited to try this, and I'll keep you updated on what I decide to keep. Let me know if you want to see the stuff tried on. Maybe I'll do a try on video with the next box. But with this one, because I got it yesterday, like again, you only have 3 days. So my goal is to ship it back out by Saturday. So tomorrow, just to be on the safe side. And I don't want to be charged, because if you don't send it back, you'll be charged for the whole box, and no. So I'll be sure to do that. But yeah, I'll stop rambling on now, catch my breath, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.